I like collecting memorabilia now, so it is. My name is McKenna. I'm a Monaghan Superfan. Well, I started collecting memorabilia in the 70s, and different ones give me programs. Autobiography, GAA autobiographies here. Any GAA autobiography that comes out, I get it. And this here is a record of every All Ireland that's from the World Go till the present time. Season of Sundays now with Ray McManus. He's won out every year and it's a capture of all the games during the year. But All Ireland finals is just a good record. The All Ireland final programmes, here semi-finals, Monaghan scrapbooks, Ulster final, Ulster Championship programmes, the Munster Championship programmes, and here is the county finals, all the county finals from different counties. I like collecting memorabilia now, so it is. My favourite collection or collecting that I've started is the Down 68 and the Monaghan 85. My father took me on a bike to a neighbour's house to see the 68 All-Ireland final. That was brilliant because it was only small and we didn't get out too often. No, not that time, there was no transport. This shows highlights, the Kings of Ulster 88. Just great excitement. It was great excitement when you beat Cavan. Any day you beat Cavan, so it is. Happened to be in Monaghan Shopping Centre one evening. County chairman happened to be sitting outside and he says, "There's John Connolly, he's county liaison officer," and could I ring him? And I rung John and John says, "Well, Michael, would you be interested in doing Kitman?" I jumped at the chance. Started in 2003, my ambition first was maybe get to an Ulster final. We got that, and next thing was Croke Park. We got there. I'd just like to see them getting to an All-Ireland final. That's me just dream now. And discussing to win an All-Ireland club. If I got them too now, I'd be happy enough. So.